I received this today. It's from Polyplay in Germany. I thought I'd just share with you what it is. Let's open it up right now. Very well packaged. Oh, better not throw this out. Nice. Well, this is pretty cool. This is actually a bonus. I didn't pay for this. This is from Polyplay, of course. It's the cartridge for the game. How cool is that? Thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it. Wolfling Reloaded for the Commodore 64. I'll do a video on this very soon. Okay. Put stickers. Little 5¼ inch floppy disk sticker. Better make sure there's nothing else hidden in here. This is the Commodore 64 robot arm. I'm a little bit confused. It appears there's two of these in here, so I'll have a look. So here's the first one. I'll put that aside, then I'll open it up afterwards. Yep, just as I thought. We'll get to this in a second. I'll just see if there's anything else inside the box. Alright, so I just wanted to clarify. This is the receipt. It looks like they've sent me two. Hey, not complaining. That's awesome. Thank you very much for that, Polyplay. This looks complete. I do actually have one of these for the museum already, but it was broken and I have not been able to fix it. I saw this advertised on Polyplay. I'll share the link in the description down below. And I thought, well, this is my opportunity to get a brand new one. I'll just open up this one here as well. That's totally awesome. Thank you very much, Polyplay. So it's got everything. I'll set this up and show it running on the Commodore 64. These actually parts I had missing in my original one from the museum. I was missing this too. What it is, I don't actually know yet, but it's definitely complete. So if you want to see this up and running, let me know down in the comments down below and I'll do a demonstration video having it plugged into the Commodore 64. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon in the Commodore Computer Museum.